I just realized something. A lot of y'all ass ain't gonna make it, and that's just what it is. Like, I be getting comments, and that's fresh out the gym, by the way, and then I jumped in the pool right quick, so ignore that. But I be looking at the comments, man. People be talking about, yeah, AJ, how do I work with you? I want you to be my mentor. Sign me up, blah blah blah, right? And it's like, well, what do I do? Dog, I be having a link in my bio, in my description, in the comments, like everywhere. If you're on Instagram, they ain't in the comments, but they in the bio. But on YouTube, it's everywhere for sure. Then you can literally go on Google and type in AJ Simmons, type in Clean Biz Network, all that, right? We'll walk and talk too. We can get in this car and get out of here. But it's like we got all of that, and I'm gonna try to speak up too. I forgot. I ain't got no microphone on today. But you got all of this ways to get in contact me, and motherfucker be acting like it's hard. Like, I put my email out here, aj@cleanbiznetwork.com. You know what I mean? We actually have a telephone service now. People used to always complain about that. Oh, we need to be able to call you about to leave, this and that. Okay, well, we got a number. You know what I mean? 904-490-0118. Like, I understand why some of y'all be acting like it's so hard. And it's like, if you can't figure out the basic shit, how the hell you think you're going to put together $1 million plus company? You know what I mean? How you think you're going to make six-figure company? How you going to do anything? You can't even do the basic shit, like click a link. Better yet, what if I ain't got a clickable link? You mean tell me you can't open up your browser on your phone and go to www.cleanbiznetwork.com? What's so hard about that? I don't understand it. Like, damn. Like, we gotta stop this shit now. If y'all serious about building a business, then y'all gotta wake the fuck up. And you gotta be willing to sacrifice and get uncomfortable and do shit. Go figure some shit out, or stop waiting for everybody to hold your goddamn hand everywhere. You know what I mean? That shit get aggravating. I wake up almost every day, if not every week, thinking, okay, what can I do this week? How can I touch more people? How can I get more people? Because I know most of the time people just want a business. They don't really give a damn what type of business it is. They just want a good opportunity. You know what I mean? They want a way to, and we can go to the car actually. They want a way to, I mean, just improve themselves and get some money. And so I got one of the best opportunities out here on this internet. I'm the only one out here that'll actually ship you the equipment. You know what I mean? That'll got the whole course from A to Z. Got a lead generation service to help you get the damn customers. You know what I mean? That shit is a headache to run, but I do it anyway because it's one of the best products out there. Got a starter kit, so we're gonna ship you all the equipment. That's e-commerce. I mean, I don't have to do that. It'd be much easier for me just to sell the course, right? Just sell you the information, keep all 90% profit, right? Because it don't cost nothing to sell no course. Versus me doing all this other shit. You know what I mean? Trying to get y'all, you know what I mean? Just provide y'all with the best of the best. And people won't even take action. I'm gonna tell you something. I got the Clean Biz starter kit, right? I used to sell that course for like, I think it was like $4.99 at its peak, right? $500. Like, my bad, y'all, my phone overheated, but man, my starter course, right? My Clean Biz starter course, I used to sell that for $500, right? $4.99 years ago. And then after a while, I said, you know what? I don't even want to sell that course no more. It's the starter course. I'm selling to people who just kind of get started. I know a lot of them ain't got no money. I tell you what I'll do. Just join Clean Biz Network. It's $99 a month, and you'll get the starter course for free. So that means that basically I'm selling the starter course for $99. It used to be $500. And even, let's just say, even if you don't want it, you can't afford to keep the $99 a month because you're just getting started, you could still pay the $99 one damn time and still get the course, take the course for that month, follow the steps in the course and get your business started. Then if you want to come back and join Clean Biz Network because you want the calculator and the proposal and the CRM and all the other features, then you can join back later, or you want to coach it from me, right? But it's like people won't even take advantage of that. You know what I mean? It's like, what the fuck is y'all doing? You know what I mean? Like $99, bro, like come on. Like, I don't understand. It was one time where when I first introduced the CRM, because it was going through so much, like trying to get stuff together and figuring it out, I had to start the automation course like very briefly. I think it was like a week long, only like 2 people caught it, right? But y'all know right now is what, $997 up front, and then you get the whole year, no payments, right? And then after that whole year, you got to pay $199 to keep your automation membership, right? Well, for like a week, I had it for $199. Only 2 people caught it. Like, what the fuck? And it's like, this is a $2,000 course. Just the course alone, I usually charge $2,000 for the automation course. Then you turn around, I'm like, come on, no, you get it for $199 a month, and nobody take advantage. And then y'all could be, well, AJ, you ain't tell nobody. But I feel like, no, y'all ain't checking. Like, y'all don't even want it. Like, I don't know, but maybe it's me. Maybe it's because I kind of didn't broadcast that one on purpose, though. You know what I mean? But because I knew I was killing myself, ripping myself off. But the bottom line is, man, y'all got to be able to willing to do like the work. Put some effort in and stop waiting for everybody to tell you every little goddamn detail, every little thing. You know what I mean? I didn't have an AJ Simmons out here to tell me this, right? Or none of these other mentors out here. You know what I mean? When I started, won't nobody out here. That's why I started doing it in the first place. You know what I mean? I had to go through, buy franchise after franchise, get ripped off time and time after again, until I finally realized, you know what? I know enough. And not only do I know enough, I should be telling everybody else what I know. You know what I mean? It eventually evolved into a company within itself. You know what I mean? But it's like y'all ain't willing to get uncomfortable enough. You know what I mean? Y'all ain't willing to get uncomfortable enough. Y'all ain't willing to do the work. And I ain't saying everybody, but a lot of y'all that's sitting on the sidelines waiting. You know what I mean? Y'all sitting there, y'all would be, well, I'm going to wait till it go on sale. Well, I'm going to wait for the right time. I'm waiting for my business partner. All right, you keep waiting. If you time, don't wait for nobody, dog. Time do not wait for nobody. You sitting here wasting your damn time when you could be building already. It's people that started, you know what I mean, a month ago, 2 months ago, that's already bringing in good money, and you over here sitting back watching, waiting for the right time. You know what I mean? Some of y'all been watching me for years now, and you wait for the right. I had so many people tell me, bro, I was one of them ones sitting back watching, and then after that one last interview I saw, I decided to go ahead and do it. And it's like, imagine if you just would have stopped waiting and just took the damn action like I've been telling y'all to do for I don't know how many years now. Like, this shit ain't for me. This shit is for you. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, of course, I run Clean Biz Network. If you buy our leads, if you buy our starter kits, if you get the membership from us, whatever you decide to get, the 10-10 program that's still out here. You know what I mean? What else we got? We got all type of shit. One-on-one consultation. Matter of fact, that's another thing I'm about to do, just because I told you I wake up every day and I start every week trying to think, okay, how can I touch more people? How can I help people better? How can I make my products better, right? And one of the things too now I'm about to do that I never really wanted to do before. I actually ain't even about to do it. I'm doing it now. I got my first one. Shout out to Farron Jackson, who gave me the idea. But now I'm offering one-on-one mentorship. Let's see how many people take advantage of that, right? So I'm literally going to be either do 4-week program or 8-week program, right? And so what you do is I'm gonna sign you up. You're gonna tell me what your goals, your hopes, your ambitions, all of that is for that first week, and then after that I'm gonna give you action items to get you to those points. You know what I mean? It ain't even just got to be cleaning, because I know a lot. You know what I mean? I got to e-commerce. I do telemarketing. I do all type of shit, mobile apps. You know what I mean? Software as a service, everything, right? So y'all know my experience is very vast, but obviously the things I know the most about is the cleaning industry, right? But it's like, you know what I mean? YouTube too. You want to learn how to do this? I just show you how to do whatever you want. But it's like, if you want mentorship, then that's what that is, right? But it's like, damn. I'm just always coming out with more and more and more. And I know a lot of y'all get confused, but that's what the other thing is. That's why you just reach out to me and say, AJ, let's talk. Let me see what product you offer is the best one for you. Email me, aj@cleanbiznetwork.com. I say it all the time. You know what I mean? Reach out to my staff. Like, find a way, like Google AJ Simmons email address, AJ Simmons contact information. Like, why y'all be acting like it's so hard to do this stuff? I don't understand. Like, people out here want to help you, but you got to be willing to help yourself. And again, guess what else? You know what I always tell y'all too? Hell, fuck it. You ain't got to come through me, but get somebody to help you. But honestly, Clean Biz Network been around here the longest. We actually are affordable these days, because $99 a month just to get in, like, that's crazy. And I'm offering you every single goddamn thing. Like, what more could you want? Bidding calculators, proposal generators, the goddamn terms of services in the proposal. Right? The CRM now. I even got a whole goddamn CRM. You can build your websites on it, get your own phone number through it, track your leads, manage your employee, all type of stuff in there. Coaching. I do monthly coaching calls with them. The whole course is in there. I tell you where I get my supplies from wholesale for the starter kit, so you just go straight through them and get them through them instead of coming through me. Whatever you want is in there. But y'all got to stop playing. Come on now. If you already started, then still join Clean Biz Network and get the automation side so we can show you how to scale it. If you ain't started yet and you want to start, either get the starter kit if you want the equipment and all of that. And if you're like, well, if I ain't got the money for all that, or you feel like you don't need all that because you get the equipment cheaper, cool. Join the basic membership. It's only $99. I'm going to tell you every single goddamn thing, and it's going to help you way more than if you would try to do it without us. Like, I don't know how else to say it, how else to do it. Like, I really don't know what to tell you. I do know that the year's coming to an end. It's up to you. If you're going to let another year pass and you ain't doing something to improve your financial situation or your company or the company that you aspire to start, it's up to you. So I feel like I done beat this horse long enough. I ain't got nothing else to say. CleanBizNetwork.com. And you got to put the www in front of that. I don't know why my shit fucked up, but my site, for whatever reason, ain't working the way it's supposed to work. So if you got to put the www in front of the in front of the CleanBizNetwork.com. All right. But once you go there, scroll through, take your time and read. Why y'all can't read? That's another thing. If I put that's why like I got a way more offers than what is on the website, but I don't list everything because like people act like they're confused. Well, I don't know if I should get this or this or this. Read it and see what the fuck it's saying. Like match the service that's provided up there with what you need and get the one that sounds like it's the one you need. If you know you want a coaching, you don't like me like that, but you know you need customers, get the lead generation service. If you know you want coaching from me, but you also need my software, but you also need this, but you also need that, but you're kind of new and you ain't got a big budget, get the basic membership. If you want the basic membership, but you also want leads, but you also need equipment, get the starter kit. If you advance, you want the coaching, but you want to be part of us, but you also need, the main thing you're struggling with right now is getting good employees, good workers, and also you need to learn how to set up your in-house lead generation system, get the automation, all right? And then if you just want me, you don't give a fuck what it is, but you just know you want me to be your mentor, you want to work with me one-on-one, do what I do, whatever it is, then you need to get the one-on-one mentorship. Now, that's not on the website because like I told you, it might be, I don't know. I don't know if I updated it or not. But a lot of times I don't put all of my services on my website because I don't want to confuse y'all and put too many things up there at once. But it's very simple. Just read. Y'all take the time to read. You know what? One of the main reasons why I didn't get taken advantage of at the franchises because I read the entire franchise disclosure document. That's why I was able to teach everybody. Nobody else sat down and read that long born ass shit. I did. You know what I mean? Like, read, y'all. This is for you anyway. All right? So, 10-10 program too. If you want that, what is the 10-10 program? The 10-10 program is when I guarantee you at least $10,000 per month in commercial cleaning contracts, recurring revenue guaranteed within a 10-month span. That's the 10-10 program. You interested in that? That's up there, right? So it's like whatever you need. When I say we cover every single thing from A to Z at CleanBizNetwork.com, www.cleanbiznetwork.com. It is there. I've been here. Thousands of videos. What more do you want from me other than for you to take action? Like, there's nothing else that I could do. You got to do it. Get your ass up and stop playing. Come on now. Come win with us. Let's get it. AJ Simmons. Check out the site, www.cleanbiznetwork.com for the 50th time. I'm out of here.